at it. Is this some kind of joke? Congratulations for surpassing 100,000. Congrats for 100,000 subscribers. The fuck is this? What is it saying? It's the 1 million one, and it's fucking broken! Congrats for surpassing 1 million. Oh, that's cool. That happened years ago. Give me 44 of these. That's it, YouTube. This is a real golden pack. It's my license. For you. It's yours for a pound.
I buy.
Okay, cool, great. Thank you.
I give you 5.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Appreciate it. It's yours.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Felix.
Have a good one.
Bye.
I got 5 pounds. Yes, got a package. Let's look. Oh! Oh! Yes! Fine. Finally. Finally, it's here. Oh, I'm so happy.
And now for your diamond play button.
Finally. It's about damn time. The legends were true. It exists. Oh my. So heavy. Yes! Finally! Okay, I see now about the first part. Oh. Congratulations, PewDiePie, 50 million subscribers. Holy shit. It looks like a giant, it's supposed to be a ruby, but it looks like those popsicles that you suck on. I will suck on you, I mean this. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Oh, it's got the brofist. It's a custom. You know, I'm gonna reach out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm so glad they did this. 7 of you bros. I'm gonna send out to my oldest and most active subscribers because you guys made this possible just as much as I did. That really means a lot. But here it is. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god, I've smudged it already. Ba-da! PewDiePie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. You know, I'm proud of this. Yes, Mr. Pie! What the hell? What? Another package from YouTube. Can't reach. Please. Please let it be the one. Oh! Oh! Oh!